Welcome to Brains Pump for 18th August 2024 Current Affairs. Who approved the prosecution of Karnataka Chief Minister in a corruption case in August 2024? Option A. Prime Minister of India. B. Governor of Karnataka. C. President of India. D. Chief Justice of India. Answer B. Governor of Karnataka. How many people were reported killed in the ongoing violence in Bangladesh as per the UN in August 2024? Option A. 400. B. 500. C. 650. D. 800. Answer C. 650. Which health issue saw more than 18,700 cases detected in Africa in 2024? Option A. Zika. B. Malaria. C. Mpox. D. Ebola. Answer C. Mpox. Which international body warned India about job growth and reforms in August 2024? Option A. World Bank. B. International Monetary Fund (IMF). C. United Nations. D. Asian Development Bank. Answer B. International Monetary Fund (IMF). Which Speaker of the Indian Parliament constituted 6 new parliamentary panels in August 2024? Option A. Lok Sabha Speaker. B. Rajya Sabha Speaker. C. Chief Justice of India. D. Vice President of India. Answer A. Lok Sabha Speaker. What natural disaster has been on the rise in Himachal Pradesh in August 2024, affecting traditional water sources? Option A. Earthquakes. B. Cyclones. C. Flash floods. D. Drought. Answer C. Flash floods. What term describes animals' ability to self-medicate, as discussed in August 2024's Science section? Option A. Ethology. B. Zoopharmacognosy. C. Phytomedicine. D. Zoology. Answer B. Zoopharmacognosy. In August 2024, which agency advertised 45 lateral entry posts in central ministries, sparking controversy? Option A. UPSC. B. Staff Selection Commission. C. Indian Administrative Service. D. Central Vigilance Commission. Answer A. UPSC. Which global goal financing gap was highlighted in August 2024 as needing urgent action to accelerate Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs)? Option A. $1 trillion. B. $2 trillion. C. $4 trillion. D. $6 trillion. Answer C. $4 trillion. What disease was associated with subclinical cases slowing its decline in India as per the health section in August 2024? Option A. Malaria. B. Tuberculosis. C. Dengue. D. HIV. Answer B. Tuberculosis. Subscribe Brains Pump for learn more.